Warm-ish coffee this morning. I don't know what the secret is. Maybe it's to do with the temperature of my water overnight. Anyway, it's the last of the Arabic coffee, back on the Italian stuff tomorrow. This empty hotel shell, coupled with this enormous view, reminds me of a place I camped in Lebanon 15 months back, which I thought was pretty weird until I realised I'm only 300 kilometres from Lebanon right now. I've almost completed the loop because of that pesky border that's closed between Israel and Lebanon, but I've nearly come all the way around. I missed my turn, but I get a better view from this side of the road anyway. Because I'm descending so much today, this nasty little climb didn't feature or wasn't obvious on the gradient map today. Oh, rookie error. Oh, crikey. The map says sealed all the way. I guess this counts as sealed. Does it? It's very lovely, I'll give it that. Always nicer to be on the back roads than the highway. Oh, bitumen! Woohoo! Oh my gosh, when does the downhill start? Assalamu alaikum. كيف حالك؟ الحمد لله.
وين تروحيني؟
لا أعرف باللغة العربية.
وين اسكي؟ تحت وين؟
أذهب إلى أمان. كراك وأمان. إن شاء الله. Oh, shop. You never can tell when there's going to be another shop. Assalamu alaikum. Guess it's beans for dinner. Just asked this man for bread in his shop. He didn't have any, so he gave me his bread. He had a bag, he took out the half-eaten one, gave me the rest. When I understood it was his, I tried to give it back, but he insisted. Oh, what a nice guy. Check out these trees. You can see which way the wind prevails. This has got to be it. Surely it's time for the downhill. This. That's the dam I plan to camp at tonight, which means that range is a problem for tomorrow. Some ruins over there that aren't even on the map. So much for my dam camping plans. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Okay, yes please. How much? Yes please. أنا اسمي هيلن. لا أعرف. يوم سعيد. شكرا. I really like the look of camping on this escarpment, but it's a bit windy. It's very obvious. I've checked with the shepherds and I can camp here amongst the sheep and dogs and donkey. How nice. I've dropped enough kilometres that I don't have to zip the tent up and wear all of my clothes to enjoy my dinner. I can actually enjoy sunset from my tent. How nice.